So the BJP clearly they're playing the hardball, and remember the suspense then over the alliance still continues in Maharashtra as the BJP is keeping the parties only guessing. Will the BJP now patch up with the Sena, or will the party accept NCP's offer with Rajnath Singh and JP Nadda not going to Mumbai today? In fact, is this going to change the equations further?
We are in a Swayamvar situation and therefore we'll choose the best and the party will take a decision.
Reveling in the moment after the thumping Maharashtra victory, the BJP is keeping all political camps guessing.
Sena has been a very old ally. The NCP has been very gracious to announce support in terms of a stable government needed for Maharashtra, and therefore I am not going to foo-foo that proposal either.
While the win may have come as a huge shot in the arm for the BJP, this offer could explain the added confidence.
राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये फैसला किया है कि हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को महाराष्ट्र में सरकार बनाने के लिए हम मदद करेंगे, हम सरकार के बाहर से मदद करेंगे.
The curious NCP offer had the Sena rattled, which got into a huddle to chalk out the bargain strategy.
There are no overtures as such which have been made to BJP. It was a meeting of newly elected legislative members.
While the question of who will make the first move hangs in the air, the BJP is adding to the suspense with statements like these.
Sir, will you be open to the NCP's proposal? Because your campaign was against NCP.
सारे option open हैं.
Your all options are open.
Yes.
Despite having a campaign against.
सरकार बनाने के लिए हमारे सारे option open हैं.
The choice on the surface is amply clear, but the BJP could use the NCP's offer as a bargaining chip with the Shiv Sena.
I don't think Shiv Sena and BJP would have broken, or BJP would have broken away from Shiv Sena without a tacit confirmation with NCP that NCP will also break with Congress party.
Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah know better than to ally with a party with a corruption taint. And given Sharad Pawar's fickleness and unreliability as an ally in the past, BJP could do well by patching up with an old partner. But for now, they are basking in the election glory, keeping two regional satraps on tenterhooks. Bureau Report, Times Now.